Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of Porus and we are going to discuss the impact that the Highway 2000 has had on Porus. Now, when the highway was built from Maypen to Mandeville, no exit was put in for Porus. I wouldn't say a major town, but a large town between Maypen and Mandeville. And the segment of the highway goes from Maypen to Mandeville. So Porus has suffered economically because the town has basically become isolated because the traffic is now on the highway and no longer going through the town. And to make matters worse, the highway is a toll road, but they are not collecting toll on the Maypen to Mandeville section, thereby causing the economic hardships for Porus. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And as you can see, the town is literally a ghost town. It's empty. Guys, do you think an exit from the highway to Porus would make a difference for this town? The small town of Porus in Manchester was once a bustling waypoint on the traditional A2 road between Maypen and Mandeville. Known for its vibrant roadside economy, Porus thrived as a key stopover for travelers, truckers, and commuters moving between southern and central Jamaica. However, the landscape of this once busy town changed dramatically following the completion of the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000 in September 2023. Highway 2000, a modern toll road designed to facilitate faster and more efficient travel across the island, succeeded in its primary goal, reducing travel time and easing congestion along Jamaica's southern corridor. But this progress came at a cost for Porus. With the new highway offering a faster route that bypassed the town entirely, vehicular traffic through Porus plummeted almost overnight. What was a constant flow of taxis, buses, and freight trucks became a trickle, leaving the town streets eerily quiet. For the people of Porus, this sudden shift had devastating economic consequences. Many local businesses that had relied on pass-through traffic, restaurants, bars, gas stations, fruit vendors, and small shops, reported sharp declines in customers and income. Some were forced to close, while others operated at drastically reduced hours. A community that had once thrived on the vitality of the road was now grappling with economic stagnation. Residents described the area as a ghost town, a painful contrast to the vibrancy that had long defined it. The experience of Porus serves as a powerful lesson in the balanced development. While the infrastructure improvements like Highway 2000 are critical for national growth, they must be accompanied by thoughtful planning that includes the voices and needs of affected communities. The people of Porus are not opposed to progress. They simply want to be a part of it. Their call for inclusion, investment, and opportunity reflect a deep desire not just to survive the changes brought by the highway, but to thrive with them. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now I think an exit should have been put in for Porus. Guys, let us know what you think. Have a good day.